Let me guess. You've been watching some of those insane road rage videos thinking, hey, what if that happened to me? Well, welcome to 2025, where having a dashcam isn't just cool anymore. It's basically like having a personal bodyguard for your car. But here's where it gets tricky. The market is absolutely flooded with options that'll either save you or leave you with fancy-looking garbage. After researching literally dozens of these bad boys, I've narrowed it down to the absolute top 5 that are actually worth your money. Quick heads up, number 3 might just make your brain explode, in a good way. And hey, I've dropped some sweet deals in the description that'll surprise you. Trust me, you're going to want to check these deals out before they're gone. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we've got the 70My Dashcam Omni. This isn't your average dashcam. It's got a party trick that sets it apart from everything else on the market. The Omni features a rotating camera that gives you a complete 360-degree view of your surroundings. That's right, one camera can cover everything from the road ahead to what's happening inside your car. Let's dive deep into what makes the Omni special. First up, its video capabilities. Recording at 1080p with 60 frames per second, the footage is smooth and clear. The f1.8 lens performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, so those night drives are covered too. This is crucial because many accidents and incidents happen after dark, and having clear, usable footage can make all the difference. The Omni's user interface deserves special mention. The display features fun, intuitive graphics and animations that make interaction a breeze. But don't let the playful interface fool you. This is a serious piece of equipment. The AI-powered surveillance system is like having a security guard watching your car 24/7, with smart motion detection that knows the difference between a threat and someone just walking by. Storage options are flexible with the Omni. You can choose between 32, 64, or 128 gigabytes of built-in eMMC storage. While there's no default cloud backup, the footage quality and storage capacity mean you won't miss any important moments. The only minor drawbacks? The parking surveillance feature requires hard wiring, and once mounted, it can be tricky to remove from the windshield. Coming in at number 4, we've got the Mio 5 S1 Ultra. Now, this is where things get interesting. For less than $100, you're getting 4K resolution, built-in GPS, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for super fast video transfers. The video quality on this thing is absolutely stunning. We're talking crisp details and impressive performance even when the sun goes down. Let's break down what makes the S1 Ultra such a compelling choice. The 4K resolution isn't just a marketing gimmick. It delivers genuine value when you need to make out details like license plates or road signs. The built-in GPS automatically records your speed and location, which can be crucial information in case of an incident. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi deserves special attention because it solves one of the biggest frustrations with dashcams: transferring that footage. Nobody wants to wait forever for videos to download to their phone, and with the S1 Ultra, you don't have to. The transfers are quick and reliable, getting you the footage you need when you need it. One of the standout features is the option to expand your coverage. You can pair it with Mio 5's rear camera, available in both 2K and 4K versions, for complete protection. This modular approach means you can start with the front camera and add the rear camera later if your budget allows. Now for our number 3 spot, the Nextbase 622 GW. This is where things get seriously impressive. We're talking 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, with footage so clear it looks like it belongs in a movie. But here's where it gets even better. Switch to 1080p and you can record at 120 frames per second. That means super smooth slow motion playback, perfect for catching those crucial details like license plates. But the 622GW isn't just about resolution or frame rate. It's packed with advanced features that set it apart. The built-in polarizing filter cuts down on windshield glare, ensuring clear footage even in bright sunlight. The digital image stabilization is a game-changer, smoothing out all those bumps and vibrations that can make footage unusable on lesser cameras. And let's talk about the intelligence built into this device. The 622GW features What 3 Words integration, a revolutionary location technology that can pinpoint your exact position anywhere in the world using just 3 words. In an emergency, this can be the difference between help arriving in minutes versus hours. The system automatically sends your precise location to emergency services if needed. The 3-inch touchscreen is bright and clear, making it easy to review footage or adjust settings right on the device. While the interface requires deliberate swipe inputs, this actually helps prevent accidental changes while driving. The automatic incident detection is highly reliable, instantly saving footage when it detects a collision or sudden movement. Low-light performance is another area where the 622GW shines. Its advanced algorithms enhance visibility in challenging conditions, whether you're driving through a tunnel, at dusk, or in heavy rain. The camera adjusts automatically to changing light conditions, ensuring you always get usable footage. Coming in at number 2 is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. Don't let its tiny size fool you. This little powerhouse packs a serious punch. It's so compact, it can hide behind your rearview mirror, making it perfect for those who want a clean, distraction-free setup. Recording in Full HD with HDR, the video quality is exactly what you'd expect from a brand like Garmin. The Mini 3's design philosophy is all about simplicity and effectiveness. There's no screen on the device itself. Everything is controlled through Garmin's smartphone app. This might seem limiting at first, but it's actually a brilliant design choice. The app interface is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to change settings or review footage. The built-in polarizing filter helps reduce those annoying windshield reflections, and the 140-degree field of view captures everything you need to see. The HDR feature ensures balanced exposure in challenging lighting conditions, like when driving in and out of tunnels or dealing with bright sunlight. The Mini 3 excels at its primary job, capturing clear, reliable footage when you need it. The automatic incident detection feature works flawlessly, saving important clips without any user intervention. Storage is handled via a microSD card, not included, and the camera automatically overwrites old footage when the card is full, unless it's been specifically saved. And finally, we have the Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam. This isn't just a dashcam. It's like having a smart security system for your car. Available in 1K, 2K, and 4K versions, it's packed with features that put it miles ahead of the competition. Let's start with the basics. The video quality is outstanding across all versions, but the 4K model takes things to another level. The front camera offers up to 2160p resolution, while the included cabin camera captures interior footage at up to 1440p. Add the optional rear camera and you've got complete coverage of your vehicle from every angle. The smart features on the IQ are where things get really interesting. The voice-activated witness mode is brilliant. Just say the command and the camera instantly starts recording with enhanced detail, perfect for situations where you feel unsafe or need to document an interaction. The parking mode is equally impressive, keeping watch over your vehicle even when you're not around. The installation process deserves special mention. Despite its advanced features, setting up the IQ is surprisingly straightforward. The direct battery connection ensures continuous protection, and the app guides you through the entire setup process. Yes, you'll need a subscription to access all features, but the basic functionality works great even without one. Video processing is handled by powerful internal hardware, ensuring smooth recording and playback. The system automatically adjusts to changing light conditions, and the HDR feature helps maintain detail in challenging situations. The built-in microphone captures clear audio, which can be crucial in certain situations. Storage options are flexible. You can use a microSD card for local storage or take advantage of cloud backup through the subscription service. The cloud option is particularly useful, ensuring your footage is safe even if something happens to the camera itself. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip. Click the link in the description for the best deals on all these dashcams. And there you have it, the absolute best dashcams of 2025. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest tech reviews. Drop a comment below letting us know which cam caught your eye, and we'll see you in the next video.